Hey y'all, it's Ghost. Real quick, I have my March commissions open on Instagram. I had 8 slots open and currently there are 5 as of recording this video. If you want a drawing done by me, you can get one now. Currently, I have a special event going on where I'm raising money to try to get a Build-A-Bear Workshop frog. I thought that I should be as transparent as possible with you guys what I'm trying to do with the funds I get from my commissions. This time it is for 100% selfish reasons, but, yeah. You will be getting something in return, though. Currently, one slot costs $6. You can either get one $6 commission or 2 $3 commissions, or you could just do a half slot and do $3. That's fine, too. I will have my Instagram link in the description for more details, so if you want one, contact me there. Hey, so it's the next day because when I was filming that it was really late. You might have realized because I was talking very softly. I've also changed locations to the living room because my dog is there and I want to keep her company. So yeah, because it's the next day I want to update my commission situation. I got one more this morning, so currently I have 4 slots available, but it's not too tight because if I can finish all 8 of the slots that I opened this month, I will quickly open more before April starts. So yeah, for now I just have 4 slots left, but if you want any, it's there. Contact me on Instagram or by my business email. I think I'll put that in the description as well. I normally don't, but I'll put that there too because I am willing to take commissions from there too. Now let's get to the video. So I was at my local craft store the other day and I found this entire massive bag of stuff. They're doing a clearing of stock sale right now, and they just want to clear out all their old stock so they can sell new stuff. So this is about 60 bucks worth of stationery that they were just selling for 10 a bag, basically. So I'm gonna see what's inside and we'll see how things go. I don't know about you guys, but I love writing letters. Like, I have so many like letter paper sets and stuff like that. So like I actually just went ahead and brought part of my collection, but I have so many letter paper sets, like with matching envelopes and stuff like that. I love this stuff. I don't know why, I just can't stop collecting it, and I can't stop looking for more. For good reason though. I do love writing letters. If you buy any dolls, oh yeah, I forgot, I have dolls for sale right now. That's also on my Instagram account. But anyway, whenever I sell dolls or I do giveaway prizes or things like that, I always use some cute letter papers and stuff like that to write notes and stuff. So yeah, I have it for good reason. I do use all this stuff, I don't just hoard it. But recently I've been running out of cute stuff that matches, so I just recently bought most of the stuff I just showed you, so I've been collecting some more, and I think this is a good variety, but then I found this, so I decided to get it. I don't know if there's a lot of letter paper in here, but I think it's pretty decent either way, so let's open it up. Enough rambling. So it's really just a simple bag. It's shut in the back. It's very loud. I'm gonna just put it to the side out of my dog's reach so she doesn't eat it. So first thing that kind of fell off the pile is this little thing of, oh, they're coasters. That's interesting. Why are there coasters in a bag of stationery? I thought this was a notepad because I could see it from the outside, but it's a set of coasters. And apparently the company sells napkins to match, but why coasters? I mean, I don't mind coasters. I probably will use these because I bring drinks into my room whenever I work, and I have a tablecloth on my usual desk, if you've seen, and water just gets everywhere if I bring up a cold drink, and it's nasty. Also, if I'm using paint water cups and they, like, I kind of, you know, you take the brush and you kind of squeeze out the water on the end, sometimes the water will come over the edge and spill all over my tablecloth. So these might be good. Like, I didn't intend to buy them. There's another one of these, but I didn't intend to buy them, but honestly I think they'll be practical, so I don't mind. Let's see, next on top of the pile is a couple stickers. These are cute. Like, this entire thing seems to have like a really Japanese design theme to it. So here's some stickers. They're really pretty watercolor designs. I'm not sure what they're for, and they're not in a package or anything, so I don't know what exactly these are for. They feel matte. Well, they are matte and they feel matte. They feel like one of those like writable plastic notes thingies, so it might be one of those. I don't know, but it's still cute. It's really pretty. I honestly think I can use it to seal envelopes as well, so that's pretty cute. There's also this like sticker set of this character. I don't recognize it, but it is cute, honestly. So I could use these to decorate letters. I love stickers. Like, I don't even want to bring in my sticker collection right now, but if you bought anything recently from me, or if you've gotten a giveaway prize from my Christmas giveaway, you will know that I just plaster stickers everywhere with no sense of direction. I just put them on there. So more stickers is not a bad thing. I also have page markers. I like marking pages on my notebooks. I usually just use plain white ones, but honestly these kind of look like little old lady stickers, but I mean, they're colorful. Next up on the pile is, oh, envelopes. I have like paper only letter papers sets, so envelopes are always welcome. These are pink with little white daisies everywhere. I've noticed most of these products are from the same company. That's interesting. I don't recognize this company, but yeah. So next one is a Christmas theme envelope. Just envelopes, nothing, no paper. Another one. Oh, this is also another winter one. So I'm pretty sure they're just clearing out their winter stock and stuff that doesn't sell. These are all the same size, all from the same company. And there's yet another set of envelopes, also Christmas themed. I do annual Christmas giveaways, so these are nice. I'm not too concerned about what to use them for. Next up, we have a pile of letter paper pads. So I showed you one of mine earlier. I just have one. I had more, but I just have one presentable new one left. These, you can buy envelopes separately, but I didn't like how the envelope looked for this one, so I just bought the pad. But these are nice, because you can get so many pieces of paper for a lot cheaper than a set. So anyway, here's a polar bear themed one. It's quite cute. It's for pretty short letters. Most of my giveaway thank you notes are quite short, so it might work for that. Again, it's kind of winter themed, so I can use these for Christmas giveaway notes. The next one is a very Japanese design. It's got plum blossoms and a mitsuro. I don't know what that is called in English. I'm pretty sure that is a bird native to Japan, and I don't think it lives anywhere else. Oh, this one is up and down lines, so it's specifically meant to write in Japanese. I could just turn it to the side, but then the design is on the side, so this might be a little bit difficult to use, but it's still beautiful. Yeah, it's just the same design alternating over and over. I could just write letters to my grandma or something with that. The next one, oh, this one matches an envelope set from earlier. This one with the cookies. This one is the same size as the polar bear one, and it's meant for short letters. It's also going from side to side, so I can write in English as well. That's pretty cute. Yeah, I'll definitely use that for my Christmas giveaway this year. Oh! The next one is a smaller version of the polar bear design. Well, this one is blank, it's not lined. And I think the paper feels a bit thicker, so... Oh, they're postcards! That is cool. I don't really send postcards that much, but this might be cool. I might like do like a special drawing on it. You know what? Maybe for my Christmas giveaway this year, I'll do drawings on these because I always use postcard paper. Yeah, this might be cute. We'll see. I have a theme sort of every year, so we'll see. All right, so my next one is this one. This might match the daisy one from earlier. It's not exactly the same, but it might go well. You know, the flowers kind of match. It says they're chamomiles, but anyway. It's got a green sort of natural theme to it, and it's for even shorter letters. So it's like, whenever I write thank you notes for my sales, I use a similar shaped paper. They're really short unless I have a lot of like instructions and like disclaimers and stuff to write, so these might be good for short notes to write to people. My allergies are terrible. Give me a second. Alright, so next one, same size. Wait, did we have like a matching envelope earlier? This looks familiar. Well, no, not exactly. But this one is a Japanese style one, so I wouldn't be surprised if it goes up and down. Yeah, it does. But honestly, unlike the springy one, I feel like it'll work either way, side to side and up and down. But yeah, when it comes to Japanese stuff, they do this sometimes, and it's a bit annoying, but I can work with it. Alright, last letter pad. It is a smaller version of the Christmas one, and are these also postcards? They are. These ones will be a little bit difficult to draw on, so I'll probably just use them as like Christmas cards or something, but they are cute. Next up, we have a letter set, so it's got both letter papers and envelopes to go with it. And so this one is for very short notes, so it's basically just like a card with lines on it that you can write, and then a matching envelope to go with it. That's interesting. And I've got another one of those, and it's got bunnies, plum blossoms, and another Mitsudo on it. And it's basically the same thing as earlier. It's a simple card with matching envelopes that you can put the cards in. These will be good for thank you notes, I think. And finally, I've got two little sticky note pads. Yeah, so this one's got little characters and like dogs and stuff like that on it. That's pretty cute. And also this one is a very Japanese design. I don't know if I'll use these. I really don't use sticky notes all that much. I use notepads, but not sticky notes. So I might just give them to my mom or include them as bonuses in giveaway prizes or sales. I don't know yet. But yeah, they're part of it. Just like the Pickles New Year's surprise box, I feel like adding up the prices of these things and seeing if they were actually telling the truth when they said over $60 in value. I'm converting this in my head. They said it was 6,000 yen in value, and it's about 60 bucks. So they do have the original retail prices without tax on the back in a rectangle. So I'm going to be taking that and adding those up and seeing how much this adds up to. So I've got my phone calculator here, so I'm just going to add everything up. Alright, so this is the value I was able to come up with without tax. I'm not sure how much this is. I feel like this was like a part of a set of something or other, I don't know. But I don't know how much this is. I don't think it can be more than what the other sticker sheet was worth, which was 180. So let's just add 180. I'd say that's a reasonable price for this. So I'm gonna do sales tax as well. So yeah, it comes to about 7,007 yen, which is, yeah, about 70 bucks, give or take. So yeah, they were definitely telling the truth about the value of this pack. Not only that though, honestly, even if it didn't live up to the value, I was already happy with what was inside. So yeah, and it's definitely, I can't buy this much stuff for 10 bucks. So yeah, I think this was worth it. I did like what I got. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox this, well, like, debag it. I don't know, that sounded wrong. Like, unbag it. It wasn't a box. I'm confusing myself. Anyway, yeah, I hope you guys liked my review of all this stuff. I know I sounded like an old lady just looking at stationery paper and calling it cute, but I don't know. It was fun, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope to see you in another one. Bye! In case you guys were wondering why it was so quiet even though I was in the living room, and I said I was keeping my dog company, she's not a needy girl. She's just been sleeping the entire time.